Welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering Splunk Core Certified Power User SPLK-1002. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is: a calculated field is a shortcut for performing repetitive, long, or complex transformations using which of the following commands? Option A, transaction. Option B, eval. Option C, lookup. And option D, stats. The correct answer is option B. Next question is: which of the following statements describe get workflow actions? Option A, get workflow actions must be configured with post arguments. Option B, configuration of get workflow actions includes choosing a source type. Option C, label names for get workflow actions must include a field names surrounded by $signs. And option D, get workflow actions can be configured to open the URL link in the current window or in a new window. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: when should you use the transaction command instead of the stats command? Option A, when you need to group on multiple values. Option B, when duration is irrelevant in search results. Option C, when you have over 1,000 events in a transaction. And option D, when you need to group based on start and end constants. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: what does the Splunk Common Information Model add-on include? Option A, custom visualizations. Option B, pre-configured data models. Option C, field and event category tags. And option D, automatic data model acceleration. The correct answer is option B. Moving to next question. In the following eval statement, what is the value of description if the status is 503? Index is equals to main eval, description is equals to case status 200, OK status 404, not found status 500, internal server error. Option A, the description field would contain no value. Option B, the description field would contain the value 0. Option C, the description field would contain the value internal server error. And option D, this statement would produce an error in Splunk because it is incomplete. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which of the following statements describe the command below? Source type is equals to access underscore combined transaction JSEE sorry JSESSION ID. Option A, an additional field named max span is created. Option B, an additional field named duration is created. Option C, an additional field named event count is created. And option D, events with the same J session ID will be grouped together into a single event. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, what is required for a macro to accept 3 arguments? Option A, the macro's name ends with 3. Option B, the macro's name starts with 3. Option C, the macro's argument count setting is 3 or more. And option D, nothing, all macros can accept any number of arguments. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which of the following statements about tags is true? Option A, tags are case insensitive. Option B, tags are based on field/value pairs. Option C, tags categorize events based on a search. And option D, tags are designed to make data more understandable. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which of the following searches show a valid use of a macro? Option A, index is equals to main source is equals to my source, old field is equals to star, make my field, old field table underscore time new field. Option B, index is equals to main source equals to my source, old field equals to star, stats if make my field, old field table underscore time new field. Option C, index equals to main source equals to my source, old field equals to star, eval new field equals to make my field, old field table underscore time new field. And option D, index equals to main source equals to my source, old field equals to star, new field make my field, old field table underscore time new field. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, consider the following search. Index equals to web source type equals to access underscore combined. The log shows several events that share the same J session ID value SD421K26502F783. View the events as a group from the following list with search group events by J session ID. Option A, index web source type equals to access underscore combined transaction J session ID search SD421K26502F783. Option B, index web source type equals to access underscore combined highlight J session ID search SD421K26502F783. Option C, index equals to web source type equals to access underscore combined SD421K26502 F783 table J session ID. And option D, index equals to web source type equals to access underscore combined J session ID SD421 K2650 2F783. The correct answer is option D. If you are looking for any particular certification which is currently not available on our channel, please mention that in the comment section. Our team will prioritize those. Thank you.